everyone, absolutely delighted to be coming to Hungary very soon for the equinox in September to offer a very beautiful thing that is deeply close to my heart. Time to really dive into ceremony, to connect with nature, to really dive into these practices of movement medicine, which I love so much. So you are really welcome to join, and we'll really take the opportunity of that beautiful time of the year, the autumn equinox, to dance and to resource and to nourish ourselves. And I'm sending this from a very special place to my heart called Glendalough. And here's a little flavour of this beautiful place in Ireland that I love very much. So I look forward to seeing you in Budapest. For those of you who wish to come, loads of love.